Hey folks, how you doing? Ron Shawley here with you today. I want to go ahead real quick here and give you a quick overview of some of the items that we have reviewed if you're going to, if you're a storm chaser. And again, these products are not just for storm chasing, all right? They can be utilized for anybody. We're going to be talking here in the weeks ahead about getting your emergency kit ready. If you have a home or a car, one of the biggest things we're finding out today is that disaster can strike anytime. You could be caught in a snowstorm and be stuck on a highway, okay? What I want to look at right now is the Gerber line, okay? Gerber had sent us a couple of products that they felt were specific items that would be very useful if you're a storm chaser or you're a homeowner and you want to have an emergency kit prepared in the event of an emergency, okay? First of all, let's take a look at the Gerber flashlight. LED flashlight, there's one LED bulb inside here. And again, folks, there's nothing fancy about it, all right? And it's not meant to be fancy. It's meant to be a very useful, durable tool, okay? Simply push the button on the back to turn it on. The casing is all aluminum with a rubber sleeve here. And as you can see, that's quite bright. One LED light. And it is bright enough that it'll illuminate a large enough area around you at night for whatever you have to do, okay? Now, this is part of the Bear Grylls line that Gerber has. And if you know Bear Grylls, he's the guy on TV that basically teaches us how to live and to survive in situations. I mean, not to say it could happen to anybody, but it could happen, okay? If you're out, you're a cross-country skier, you get lost, all right? Or you get trapped by a freak snowstorm. You could be hiking, you could be camping, and you could be in a situation where you need that little bit of education to keep yourself alive. But some of these tools here, in addition to storm chasing, are a necessity if you are involving yourself in those activities. Moving along, this is the Gerber exclusive work knife, okay? And this is actually their storm chasing version right here. And I showed it to you last week, but I'm going to cover it again, only because I like the knife. It has a good locking mechanism on it. It's a single blade, folding capabilities where you can fold it right up, okay? Yellow handle, very, very visible. If you drop it, durable. If you drop it, you can see it laying on the ground quite easily, okay? That's the reason for the high visibility. The blade, a very, very good tempered blade. It's serrated only because one reason, okay? If you're utilizing the knife for emergency purposes, all right, if you have to cut a seatbelt, all right, you can see I'm poking myself with the knife, not hurting at all because it's got a rounded edge here. This was made this way for a number of reasons. One, it's being utilized by search and rescue teams, being utilized by storm chasers. If you come into a situation where you have to rescue somebody out of a car, you can put the knife in there, cut that seatbelt without stabbing someone to death, okay? It has a hole here. Now the hole, again, it's not to say fancy, but this hole here can be utilized for a number of applications. If you got to pull something out of wood, it can be used for prying, the MacGyver style knife, for a lot of applications there. But again, just to show you, this is the Gerber knife. This is the Storm Tracker's knife made by Gerber. Very, very strong tempered blade. Great locking mechanism on the back. We have a little clip here where you can clip it right onto your pocket or your belt. I would recommend clipping it onto, say, somewhere up high, because if you're walking through the woods and you got this on your belt, a branch can get in there and you can easily have this blade slip off your belt pocket or your pocket or your belt, I should say. All right, and it has the two ribs here on the side of the handle. That's to give you that extra leverage of gripping the knife, okay? One more item that Gerber has that I want to share with you. Okay, this is their multi-tool. Now, the 14 tool multi-tool plier by Gerber, okay, it has the G10 composite, meaning the material used is a composite material that's very, very durable and strong, and it comes with a case, all right, where you can put the tool in the case here. But it has everything you need on it. It has the scissors, the screwdrivers, you know, it has pliers. It has the cutting tool on top, all right? But again, this is another necessity only because if you're a storm chaser, it's just a good thing to have it inside the vehicle in case you need it, okay? More importantly, for your emergency kit at home, absolutely a necessity, okay, that you would have this in your emergency kit in the event that something should happen, all right? You have all the tools you need right there in one compact unit. Again, check them out, folks, okay? Gerber, G-E-R-B-E-R. They're online, and again, they have a great array of products to help you in the event of an emergency, okay?